Okay. Now, when you replace the new analog, you need to unlock the old one. So you use a screw like that, and this screw is number M10. Okay, M10 screw, and then you just unlock it. Okay, it might take a while to unlock it. So when it's loose and you take it out, and then you can just loosen it up and take it out. That's it. Okay? And then you can replace the new one.